Hello, this is a video on how to make homemade firefighting foam. Here's everything you're going to need. You need some water, about 150 millilitres of water, 7 or 8 grams of baking powder, some washing up liquid, vinegar or other acid, and of course instead of baking powder you can use any other kind of carbonate for this. Optional, some food colouring. However, I'm not going to use this because the container that we're going to form the foam in needs to be watertight, and this doesn't prove to be very watertight, so I won't be using that. And I think that's about it. And a small container you can form it in, form the foam. So the first thing we're going to do is just pour our baking powder into our small container, then add our water. We're basically just going to dissolve the baking powder into the water with some kind of stir. Okay, that'll do. Then we are going to take our vinegar and we're going to measure out about 100 millilitres. Now you can use any other number of acids, but vinegar's probably the easiest to get hold of. Okay, and then we're going to put a very small amount of washing up liquid in the water and stir that around. That'll just help everything foam up a little better. Okay, now that's completely mixed. So now, here's where you'd add your food colouring. You'd take red or green or whatever colour and just put a small drop in there, that'll be enough, and then stir it around. So here's what our solution should look like, just basically clear as we've dissolved the solid into it. Okay, now basically all you do here is mix the two liquids, and that's going to produce our foam. But okay, I'll move it to there. Here we go. Basically just pour the vinegar and washing up liquid into the baking powder solution and watch. It foams up, making lots of bubbles of carbon dioxide. Now, one thing you can test to make sure this will put out fires, if you take a match and light it like that, and then just hold it above the foam, and you'll see that it puts it straight out. I'll see if I can shoot that a little better. So if you just look down here, it puts it straight out, and that is because it produces carbon dioxide, which is basically just what happens when you mix any carbonate, in this case sodium bicarbonate, with any kind of acid, in our case distilled vinegar. So that's how to make homemade firefighting foam.